Hey, it's Dr. John St. John. I want to talk to you a little bit about the history of chiropractic. Most people today consider chiropractors back doctors, right? If someone has low back pain or some type of musculoskeletal issue or a spinal misalignment, they would consider chiropractic. It's becoming more and more prevalent, right? Now, I want to give you a little history about how chiropractic evolved. Actually, chiropractic started in the late 1800s, and the original chiropractors were primary healthcare physicians. They considered themselves physicians that could help most health issues. And what's happened over the course of time is the American Medical Association has compartmentalized chiropractic into musculoskeletal doctors. And I'm here to tell you that that's actually not how chiropractic was originally intended. Okay, the original chiropractors, they treated most health issues naturally because what we're doing is we're releasing interference in the nervous system. See, the nervous system, your brain, your spinal cord, and all the nerves that branch out, that's the master control system of the body. And what that will do is that will govern all the other systems of the body. Now, if that system is not functioning properly, if there is a kink in the hose per se, if there's a pinched nerve, then what's going to happen is the information is not going to get to the muscles, glands, organs, all of the endpoints that these nerves control. Now, another facet that has been missed is the original chiropractors were also nutritionists. In fact, they recommended handling nutritional issues or toxicity issues before getting a chiropractic adjustment, because what they realized is that those adjustments would not hold if there was an underlying nutritional deficiency or some type of toxicity. So today at Chagrin Natural Health Clinic, what we do is we, as chiropractors, we look at the whole picture. We call ourselves Chagrin Natural Health Clinic because we're a natural health improvement center. Yes, we're chiropractors, and as the original chiropractors intended, we are holistic doctors. We look at the whole person for most health conditions. So if you're interested in finding out more about us, please look us up, chagrinnaturalhealth.com. Feel free to give us a call. And anyone that sees this video and would like an evaluation, we normally offer that for $180, but we would be happy to give you a $30 full new patient evaluation to see if we can help. Thanks so much. Take care.